Hey Laura, here's our Dyson Vacuum. It's a Dyson, like an 8 animal, so there's a lot bigger ones now too. The charge lasts about 7, 8, 10 minutes on low speed. There's a max speed that it doesn't last quite as long. But I love how it goes under couches, under tables, and it curves real easily. And then it goes under dressers if it's not too low of a dresser. And around the toilet is the coolest thing ever. And under like your kitchen table if it has a low part. Anyways, pretty fun. Bye-bye.